Hello, my name is Michael Stillwell and I am an employee of the Piano Technician Academy. Now you're probably wondering, what is the Piano Technician Academy and why are they contacting me? Well, do you remember that quiz you took on Facebook last week about what piano you were? That was us. That was kind of something we put together just for fun. With everybody locked inside their houses right now, we thought it'd be a fun thing to do for our community. And it also allows us to get in front of you guys and tell you a little bit about what we do. So we are an online piano tuning and repair school. We're the largest correspondence school for piano technology in the world. We have over 400 students a year learning this all over the country. Our course is taught completely online. We use the latest in e-learning development, high-def videos, diagrams, exercises, written material. And it's a training program for the RPT exams, the Registered Piano Technician exams given by the Piano Technicians Guild. So this is not an easy thing to learn online, but we have done this for about 10 years so far now, and we have a very, very good success rate. If you guys have any kind of interest in learning piano technology and becoming a piano tuner or a piano technician in people's houses, please feel free to respond to this email and let us know how we can help. You can always check us out online at www.pianotechnicianacademy.com. There's tons of videos there. Also on our YouTube channel, we have tons of videos about how pianos work, different parts of the piano, different repairs, voicing techniques, all sorts of really cool piano related stuff. So make sure you head to our YouTube channel and subscribe there too. But if you have any questions about enrolling in our course or about getting into the field of piano technology, feel free to just respond to this email or click the link below. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed our quiz and we will see you soon. Bye-bye.